Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro using your phone. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now, connect USB-C cable to your phone, and at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port also, so connect the second USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side we see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Now also I tried to use reverse wireless charging from my phone, but this earbuds doesn't support this technology, so we cannot use wireless charging to charge these earbuds, and this is the only way to use your phone to charge your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!